We're using Qualitex today, 5-inch balloons. Okay, and we're going to inflate them maybe till about, I don't like mine real big, so let's just decide on the size that we're going to use. It's about 3.5, because this won't fit through the 3. So this is about 3.5 out of 3-inch. Okay, so this is what we're going to use, and on my agenda it says 0.6. So let's start on this. And we're making the mini garland rope, and we're using quads. Okay, so let's take our 2, tie it together. We have 1 duplet. We need 1 more. 1. Another duplet. That one did it twice. Okay, our next duplet. Tie them together. Okay, we have our 2 duplets, and we're going to make a quad. Now, how we make our quad is that we bring them together, bring them together, bring them together, go all the way through to the other side, and twist and twist. And we have our quad. Okay? Our first quad. Questions? Make another duplet. And I'm just going to make a bunch of them first so I can show you how to connect them. Thank you for the hearts. Take your 2, tie them together, make some duplets. Take your 2. You're going to marry them together like this, Either way you can see it. Go all the way across and twist 2 times or 3 times. Okay, and this is your quad. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to flatten this out. We want it to be flat, and we're going to look for our longest neck because we're going to be using the neck technique. Okay, flatten it out, and we're going to be using the longest neck. So you want to get your longest neck on both of your quads. So this is my neck on one quad, and this is my neck on the other quad. And I'm going to put them as close together as I can, and then tie them. Let me show you like this. Take the 2 necks, you see, and go ahead and tie. And when you pull them close to each other, like that. And then go back in there and tie that knot, okay? And this is my first. Once you tie it, you can go ahead and adjust them. This is what we have. Okay? We have on the top quad, get you another quad, and you're going to find your longest neck on this quad. The longest neck you can find, and you're going to take the 2 necks, take your 2 necks like this, and tie them together. Okay, once you get it around, then pull it together and tie. And as I stated, if you don't like the neck technique, go ahead and adjust them. When you adjust them, they should be flat, and they should fit in these grooves. See the groove, this space right here, the space right here, they should sit right in those spaces. These 2 should sit in this space. These 2 should sit on that space, just like this. And we're getting ready to start, forming a garland. Questions? I'm just going to use these 2 little 260 that I got from Amazon. These are clear. You always want to use the color that your design is, or you can use the clear ones. Again, these are 260s. Purchased these from Amazon. I'm just going to cut this in half. We don't need the whole thing. Cut it in half. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to tie it around one of my balloons. Let's just go all the way in the middle and make a tie and a knot. Okay, so this is my first rigging point. I'm going to make one on this side. Take a half of your 260, go through the middle and go around and make a knot. You can tie twice or you can tie once. Okay? So these are my 2 rigging points. See? Okay, so now I'm going to go over here to the design and put it on the design. I'm just going to take my 260 and tie it around one of the balloons and then let it go. So that's what we call our mini rope.